Hello guys, wish you a warm welcome to our family freecourses.com. So guys, today I am coming here with a big announcement for all of us. Okay, so because today I am including some very exclusive courses. Okay guys, in my video. So let's start it our today's video journey. Okay guys, the first one is the IT and software networking and security, mainly in the ethical hacking field. Okay, so if you are quite interested but quite keen, okay, or been to this type of ethical hacking, how the ethical hacker do their hacking, and how the cyber security, how the domain privilege, the escalation, and the active directory pre-exploration, okay guys, and power view, powershell module, and more things guys which are related. Okay, active directory, pen testing full course, red team hacking. Okay guys, so this is a very powerful. Okay guys, so the active directory pen testing full course, red team hacking, if you are quite interested to attacking and hacking the active directory, how to hack hack this, and how to attack to break the firewall. Okay guys, so go to this course guys if you are quite interested for this, because in this course you will be get 9.5 hour on demand video, 7 articles, and 40 downloadable resources. And you also get full lifetime access. You can access it from your mobile and TV guys. Okay guys, so one day left at this price. If you are quite interested for it, or if you are a very if you are looking for this type of course, please comment me in the comment section. Okay guys, so I am know if you comment me, I am know about you, what type of course you are looking for. Okay guys, so move to the next one guys. The next one is the NumPy for data science and machine learning. So NumPy is nothing but the package. Okay, so it is a module in Python programming language. It is a module. NumPy is a module in Python programming. It is mainly used for the array. In we are know those who are quite familiar or familiar with the programming languages. In C, we use the array. It is nothing but uh, collection of the elements of the homogeneous data items. Okay guys, so from beginner to advanced level, they will teach you NumPy for in which cases or in which particular areas in data science and machine learning NumPy is used. Okay, from beginner to the data advanced level, how to perform the matrix computation, how the work with the ND arrays, NumPy for data science, numerical computations using Python. I am telling you that guys, the NumPy is mainly it is a module. Okay, it is a module which are mainly used for array. Okay, array module. You can say that. Okay, in one word, 2 hour on demand video, 10 hours left at this price. Okay, guys, if you are quite interested to know in which cases or in which areas of data science and machine learning the NumPy is used, go to this course guys. Only 2 hours left. Only 2 hours only one video you get. After 2 hours you will be a clear vision about this NumPy. Okay, for data science and machine learning, 10 hours left at this price guys. Go to this course guys. The next one is the learn basics of web design 2020, HTML, CSS, and Bootstrap. Okay guys, if you are quite interested in web development, mainly in web design field, okay, HTML, you can say the HTML and CSS and Bootstrap, these are the necessary things if you are a good web developer. Okay, so you will be know about these things. HTML, CSS, Bootstrap. Okay, the best courses from learning the basics of the HTML5, CSS3, and the Bootstrap 5 from the scratch. Perfect for beginners. Okay guys, in this course you will get 7.5 hour on demand video, and in this course they will teach you the set up a domain name and with hosting, so that your website is live and on the internet for other to see. Okay, and many things guys, many little tricks and tips they will give you in this course. Go to this course guys, one day left at this price. Okay guys, so thank you to all of you. Move on to the next one, give me permission. The next one is the quantum physics and quantum computing. So this is a very you can say this quantum physics and quantum computing are very hard level study. Okay guys, a less number of students are doing this study. Quantum physics, it's a very hard level studies, guys. If you are quite interested for it, or you will be clear your doubts, or you can say what is the quantum physics, or what is the quantum computing, on which if you are know in some years before, the Google is introduced the quantum computer. Okay, it is the fastest. Okay, quantum computer. So that is the, guys, in this course they will tell you what is the quantum computer, how the quantum computer works. Okay, guys, or derivation of the Schrodinger to the wave equation. These are the things. If you are quite learn the physics, okay, in quantum part, there is a Heisenberg equation of motion, what is the equation of continuity, what is the wave equation of light, and what is the operators used. There will be mostly frequently used operators, Del operators, guys. Okay, so I does not lengthy it. Okay, guys, so if you are quite interested for it, how the quantum computer works and what is the basic things of quantum computer, university level course. Okay, guys, if you are a university student, you go to this course, guys. Go to this course. You are quite interested and you are also in university, go to this course. This course is very helpful for you, guys. Okay, guys, move on to the next one, guys. The next one is the spectral analysis and the geospatial geospatial data science in Python. You are known that this is a bestseller course, guys. Learn how to process and visualize the geospatial data and perform the spatial analysis using Python. You are know, guys, the Python is used a brief area, in lot of areas, the areas of our academics or techniques, guys. So Python is a this is the why, guys, Python is the most used programming language. And in using the Python, if you're quite interested how the spatial analysis, okay, spatial analysis works using the Python, go to this course, guys. 70,000 students are already enrolled for this course, and this is a bestseller course, guys. Okay, guys, and this course is recently updated in Feb month. So if you are quite interested how the spatial analysis works and how the geospatial data science in Python, and learn the essentials of the GeoPy, PilotPy, and library, the workhorse of the geospatial data science. Okay, guys, go to this course, guys. Okay, 4 hours, so you will get 4 hour on demand video, 2 days left on of this price. Okay, the next one is the self-taught programmer. Okay, so this is the a new type of things, guys. This is the this course is newly introduced in 3 March month of the March month. In this course, what is the course? The course, in this course they will teach you learn to program in Python 3, build your first program, learn to use the tools like Git, Brush, regular expressions, then use your new coding skills to develop a web scrapper. Finish with best coding practice tips for working with a team and advertising and landing your first programming job. So in this course they will teach you how the programming knowledge is works, and how the doings, how these are doing. So okay, guys, self-taught programmer. So it is a very looking very very interesting, guys. Study the computer science fundamental like data structure and algorithms, learn the object oriented programming, and create a powerful Python program to get hooked. Okay, guys, so move on to the next one, guys. Sorry, guys. So next one is the personal development and personal transformations or goal setting. So in our to everyone's life there is a goal, guys. Someone in your future, someone is a pilot, someone is an engineer, someone is a doctor. So every life, in every people there is a goal. So in this course they will teach you how you can set your goal and how you can fulfill your goal. Okay, and how you will fulfill your goal, how to find out what you really want in your life, how to develop a goal setting mindset. Okay, guys, to achieve your goal. Okay, to fulfill your main goal of your life. Okay, so this course is mainly in personal transformation or goal settings. If you are quite interested, go to this course. It is a very interesting course, guys, and this course is very helpful in your you can say in your life. If you enroll for this course, I hope this course is very important, very helpful for you guys, because every in our every life there is a goal. Okay, guys, so if we are human beings, so we are fulfill our goal and we are achieve our goals. So due to many reasons we does not or we due to many reasons we does not fulfill our goals. So in this course, they will a complete path, you can say, complete roadmap, how you can plan it and achieve your goals. So go to this course, guys. This course is very interesting. Okay. So move on to the next one, guys. R programming for absolute beginners. So learn the basics writing code in R and your first step to become a data scientist. So if you're quite interested to how the R programming is a new programming language, so in data science field. Okay, so if you are a absolute beginner in R programming, and if you are quite interested to learn how the R programming works, what is the syntax, what is the semantics, and what is the basics code structure of the R programming, go to this course, guys. Okay, in this course, work with the vectors, matrix, list, manage the data frames, build your own functions and binary operations, create the characters in base R, and work with factors. Okay, guys, so go to this course. If you are a come with me in this path. So this is our channel, guys. Please subscribe us and please motivate me and please like and share this video and please comment me through your comment. I am know what course you will want. Okay, guys, so I am trying my best to get this course for you. So okay, guys, please subscribe us, okay, our channel, and to be a family member of our little family freecourses.com. So the last one, but not the least one, creating a cartoon monster in Maya 2020. So if you are a in our childhood, we all are very close with the cartoons. We are see Doraemon, Nomita, this like cartoons, guys. So if you are quite interested, how build this cartoon monster using the 3D animation, 3D lighting, using the Maya. Okay, this is nothing but that it is nothing but the master professional modeling techniques, Maya modeling tools. Using this Maya model tools or using the Photoshops, you can build it. Okay, if you are quite interested for it, or you will be very you can say for a very interest for it and how it works and so that is the why, guys, I am attached this course with my tutor with my video. So if you are quite interested for it, go to this course, guys. Okay, guys, thank you to all of you to watching this video. So in the next video we are meet. So till then, bye bye, see you, and please, guys, please subscribe us and please like and dislike this video. If you like it, like this like button. Or if you dislike it. Okay, guys, this is our channel, guys. Please, guys, please subscribe our channel, please, guys. Thank you to all of you.